Hi guys, welcome to Traders Therapy Session. I'm your host, Kero. In today's session, we'll be talking about the passport to trading world. The tool you need in order to escape the trap that is set for 90% of traders that quit within their first year of trading. However, this video is not going to teach you the technical or fundamental skills of trading, but it is a video not to miss if you are inspired to become a trader or you are already a trader but you don't see any results. This video is so important that even if you are a trader who is profitable and consistent but still have a desire to learn but can't study support and resistance forever, this video or channel as a whole is dedicated to a major part of trading that people disregard every day, and it weighs about 70% of your trading career or business. Number one tool that you need to become successful on anything and be happy is desire. You need to have a desire to learn Forex or stock market in order for you to enjoy challenges that you will come across during your learning process. That alone, it will sustain you even after blowing 10 accounts. You will understand that is part of learning. And again, it will somehow reduce the emotions that you might have when experiencing losing trades. Why? Because desire is the first step towards riches. Any person who succeeded in their dreams is because they had a burning desire. And everyone who quits, they quit because they had a mere wish. Simple as that. They quit at the first sign of defeat. Before even thinking of buying any course, you must be sure that you want to learn this. Otherwise, let's go to the next one. Number 2, discipline. The story behind majority of blown accounts is lack of discipline. I'm not talking about people who blow account because it's part of the strategy. Some traders, they use multiple accounts to hedge or do what they do, which is part of their trading plan. However, I'm talking about the trader who wants to grow an account to an X amount of dollar or whatever currency you deposited. To see growth in your account, you need to contain discipline at all times. Remember, discipline is another step towards riches. You may need to visit the greatest book of all times, Think and Grow Rich. Being disciplined, I mean, you need to follow your trading plan at all times and do what you said you will do, not being carried away by winning streams. I know from experience, when money is coming in, you will want it to come fast and you will start to risk more than what you initially planned. And you will forget that after winning stream, there will come losing streams. That's where most of people lose faith in trading. In conclusion, what I'm trying to say is, in each and everything that you plan to do, you must do your plan, not anything outside that scope. The third tool that you need to have is knowledge. Trading is the world by itself. There are a lot of things that involve trading, and there are different styles of trading. You can have 100 different traders who will interpret the same market differently. In most of the time, that is the reason why beginner traders fail to become consistent in terms of profit. It's because they are not consistent in learning. They learn from different people, and that is number one, don't. Before we continue, let me share with you 3 ways I know how you can obtain knowledge. Number 1, internet. There are a lot of free stuff from the internet that can help your craft. But be careful. Most of people from the internet are selling their products. So what they do is just an intro, or they will give you scattered information or knowledge of what you want. They know that you will come back and look for more, and that's where you are going to pay. But I know some of successful traders who learn from YouTube videos, free telegrams, and other sites. But what they won't tell you is what they did to compile the information, or or who they followed that helped them to make sense of all videos they had to watch. Like myself, for one, in 2018, I was introduced to Forex by a friend, and I was lucky because I found some people who gave me the basics of Forex from the internet. Then I realized that in order for me to be consistent, I had to go and do the right thing and search for the course that will help me do that. This means you need to get specialized knowledge. Number two, books. You can buy books and study. Okay, number three, mentor. You can buy mentorship from someone who will teach you how to trade. And I have to confess, the course is not yet ready until February 2021. That's when I will release an online course that will not make you rich, but give you the right skill and tools to be a profitable trader. Okay, back to the topic. That is the new way of learning, or convenient way of learning in fourth industrial revolution era. I see going to school and spending 4 years learning something that you can do in 6 months online being useless. But remember, you must be disciplined because you will be the one supervising yourself. On that note, I have 2 degrees in teaching and completed 2 online courses. Each took less than 2 months. In terms of income, I value my online courses, and they cost less than 10% of what I had to pay for 6 years to obtain those degrees. But that's not the topic for today. Mentorship, you need someone who can fast forward your learning process. The fourth tool you will need to make a habit is the answer to understand drawdowns. Backtesting. After you have learned a skill, you need to test it and test yourself if you are competent enough to apply the skill you learned. Even on most professions today, they consider someone who went for experiential learning or internship, as they call it. In financial market, you also get an opportunity to test whether you are ready or not by using a demo account, but still be able to analyze the live market. Backtesting is the backbone of trading. Why, you may ask? If you backtest a pair 100 times and you get it right 60% of the time, then you know that your strategy works 60% of the time. Then you will find a way dealing with 40% losses. But if you did not backtest, you will find it difficult, or you will find it hard to determine whether your strategy is working or not. Backtesting is the backbone of trading. The last tool to master is application. Number 5, going live. To see success from your studies, you need to trade your plan. Set up a trading plan and trade just that. No freestyling. Discipline comes in handy at this point. Then you will see yourself surviving the trap that is set for 90% of traders that quit on their first year of trading. Okay, let us recap. We said number 1, you need to have a desire. You need to do something that you love. Number 2, you must be disciplined. In each and every aspect, you must be disciplined. Number 3, you must get a specialized knowledge. After that, we go to number 4. You need to test your skill. Backtesting. You can use a demonstration account to do that. Then the last one, application. You need to apply everything that you learned as it is, nothing more, nothing less. Everything that you learned, so that you can see whether you are growing or not. We are at the end of our session. If you believe that this session is here to motivate you, sustain you to be the 10% of traders that survive the trap, please like the video, share, and to be the part of our traders therapy session, please subscribe, because this channel is here to give traders peace of mind, because 70% of trading is psychological. See you in the next session.